I got my Fargo R8 here. I've got the Ethernet connected to my wireless router. And I've got a 12 volt coming in here to power the board. And I've got a 2-4 cable coming from relay 1 across the common and the normally closed, which comes out that, and it goes up to my garage door opener. And now, if I have a look on my phone, go to the web browser, go to the LinorTek, you can see they've got the common mark garage and the normally open mark push button. Now if I click on relay 1, it should open the garage door. You can see, she come on and she's coming up. Now I can do the same thing to close it.